no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is day 2 of our daily devotionals videos. So these are just some really short, super simple, super quick little videos. Just get your little daily dose of Jesus with Jackie, whatever you want to call it. We are just going to have some good girlfriend time and read a page out of our devotional. Now, the devotional that I'm using, I showed y'all yesterday, but I want to show it again just in case. This is the Jesus Calling 365 Day Devotional. This is by Sarah Young. And you can find this devotional at Walmart, and you can also order it online. I also saw in the comments from yesterday's video, somebody said that they had the Jesus Calling app on their phone. So that's something to look into. I'm going to personally look into that myself. So maybe there's an app that you could download where you could, read along or follow along. But if you don't have this devotional, no big deal. I'm going to read it to you, show you the pages. We'll talk about it a little bit, and that's all I got for you. So let's jump in. Okay, so I'm super excited about this. This is day 2 of our 365 day daily devotional. I'm going to be doing throughout the year. I want to do this every day. These are going to be super short little videos, just some quick girl time, hanging out time, and getting our little dose of Jesus every day. You know what I mean? Like, we all need that. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. This is something that I've done for myself. This is something that I wanted to do for me. I knew in order to move forward, after everything that's happened to me and my family, in order to move forward, I knew that I was going to have to really, get myself closer to the Lord. I couldn't, just pray about it and be done with it. I needed to get in His Word. And I have a hard time reading my Bible because I don't understand 90% of it. So, these daily devotionals, we're losing our camera. The dog moved, y'all. You should see this makeshift, we're going again. Hang on. Y'all should see this setup I have going on. It's pretty janky, but it does the job. It may be a little crooked. I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm not going to touch it though. Maybe it will not fall. I'm hoping. Anyways, so like I was saying, I have a hard time just sitting down and reading my Bible and really getting anything from it. So these daily devotionals are something that I super, super needed, in order to be able to have those verses that I can lean on and that I can remember and think about, when times do get hard and, the days get a little longer and, just whatever. So I'm really pumped about this. I'm super excited about doing this, and I'm very excited about sharing it with y'all. I just think it will be something that we could do every morning or whenever I finally get it uploaded to YouTube. That's the only thing. I want to make sure that you guys know this. So it takes time to get onto YouTube. When you go to upload a video, it might upload in an hour. It might upload in 8 hours. You never know. Like, it's literally bad. Any other creators out there, y'all know what I'm talking about. It's crazy. But anyways, I will try to have these up every single day, and I am very pumped about it, and I think it's going to be something great. But anyway, so on day 2, we have got, I told y'all we were going to lose it. I knew it. I knew we were going to lose it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, that's even better, actually. See there? Okay, we got it. Okay, so it says January the 2nd, but today is not January the 2nd, obviously. But this is our second day of the daily devotionals. So the date is not always going to be right, but this is day 2. I hope that you got the first one. If you didn't, you can go back and watch that. I'll have it linked below. And if you're, wondering why I'm doing these daily devotionals, or, why is she not doing her DIYs, go back and watch the last couple of videos, because you have seriously missed some major stuff. But anyways, I'll have those linked in the description box for you. But this is day 2. And it says, relax in my healing presence. As you spend time with me, your thoughts tend to jump ahead to today's plans and problems. Bring your mind back to me for refreshment and renewal. Let the light of my presence soak into you as you focus your thoughts on me. Thus I equip you to face whatever the day brings. This sacrifice of time pleases me and strengthens you. Do not skip on our time together. Resist the clamor of tasks waiting to be done. You have chosen what is better, and it will not be taken away from you. Okay, so here are the verses that they've got to go with it for today. Blessed are those who have learned to acclaim you, who walk in the light of your presence, O Lord. Psalms 89:15. And something about the devotional itself. So when you're reading this devotional book, whatever you want to call it, but when you're reading this, you're reading it as if Jesus is speaking to you. So when it says, relax in my healing presence as you spend time with me, I'm not talking about me. We're talking about Jesus. We're talking about spending time with God. So, okay, sorry. All right. So when I'm saying it, or, reading it to you, it's supposed to be as if Jesus is talking to you. That's the way the book was written. That's the way the devotionals were written. The Sarah Young, the lady that made this book, that's how she did this. She put this together that way so that you can feel as though the Lord is talking to you. So when it says, relax in my healing presence as you spend time with me, your thoughts tend to jump ahead. It's talking about Jesus, spending time with God, spending time with Jesus, healing in his presence, in God's presence, in Jesus's presence. So I just want to make sure that you guys knew that. I didn't say that yesterday, and then I thought about it last night, and then I meant to say something before we read today's, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that. Anyway, so the last verse that they've got to go with this actually is a little bit of a story, and the verse, they pulled a little bit of the verse and put it in the devotional today. So you'll hear it here at the end. It says, she had a sister called Mary who sat at the Lord's feet listening to what he said. But Martha was distracted by all of the preparations that had to be made. She came to him and asked, Lord, don't you care that my sister has left me to do all the work by myself? Tell her to help. Martha, Martha, the Lord answered, you are worried and upset about many things, but only one thing is needed. Mary has chosen what is better, and it will not be taken away from her. So spending time with God right there in the Bible, it tells you right there, spending time with God, spending time with Jesus will not be taken away from you. That means you will be blessed for that. So just listening to this video, and getting this little moment of time with the Lord, is the Lord's going to bless you. And it says it right there. It's telling us that right there. You know what I mean? So that's amazing. I should spend more time with the Lord, and I should spend more time in my Bible and stuff, but I don't. I let the days get too busy, and things happen or whatever. But just taking this moment to show God that I am seeking his face and trying my best to trust him. Because y'all, it's hard. Whew, man, I'm really not gonna cry today. That one video where I cried, that was so embarrassing, but it was part of it, and I wanted to be authentic. So But anyways, I'm not going to cry today. I am going to trust the Lord and know that we're going to be okay. And I'm going to stand on that, and I'm going to fight it to the end. I'm going to fight the devil, and I'm not going to let him win. And this is not going to take me down. This is not going to how do you say it? Like, this is not going to dim my light. I want to be an example of God's love, and I want to share that with other people, and my heart just like bursts with it, I guess. I don't know, but I hope that you guys enjoy this. I hope that y'all really take something from it, because it really means a lot to me. And you know, as far as like making time for the Lord, though we don't always, you know, make enough time, or, you know, nobody can tell you what the right amount of time with the Lord is, okay? That's between you and God. So if this little bitty minute is all that you got, then that's okay. And the Lord's going to bless you for it. And like I said, he just told us in those verses that he's going to bless you for it. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I hope that you did. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.